What if I told you that weird sound in your stomach isn't hunger, it's actually your body running a cleaning machine inside you? Inside your body, powerful muscles are constantly squeezing and moving food through your digestive system. When food, liquid, and air move through these muscles, they create vibrations that produce a rumbling sound. When your stomach is empty, these muscle waves push mostly air, and that makes the sound much louder. After you eat, your stomach mixes food with digestive juices to break it down into nutrients. So the next time your stomach growls, remember, it's not just hunger, it's your digestive system working like a powerful food processing machine.